In today's video, I'm going to teach you to see CapCut password if you forget. Now, quick heads up before we begin. For security reasons, no platform will actually show you your current password. What you can do, and what we'll walk through, is use CapCut's official recovery path so you can safely get back into your account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and head over to CapCut.com. Take a second to make sure the address bar shows the official domain and that you see a secure connection. This is important because you'll be working with your account details and you always want to do that on a trusted, secure page. Once you're on the site, locate the sign-in area. You'll see a box where you can enter the email address associated with your CapCut account. Click into that email field to make sure it's active and your cursor is blinking there. Then type the email you used when you first signed up. It's worth taking a moment to double check for typos. A single extra character can prevent the system from recognizing your account, and you'll save time by getting it right the first try. If you have more than one email, choose the one you're confident is linked to your CapCut profile. After the email is in the box and everything looks correct, click the option labeled Forgot Password. This is the official recovery tool provided by CapCut. Selecting it tells the system you can't remember your current password and need a secure way back in. From here, CapCut will guide you through the standard account recovery process, which is designed to confirm that you're the legitimate owner without exposing your existing password. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Use a private, secure internet connection rather than public Wi-Fi when handling account access. If you previously created your CapCut account using a third-party login method, like a social account, make sure you use the same method you used originally on the sign-in page. And once you've recovered access, consider updating your password to something strong and unique and store it in a trusted password manager so you don't run into this again. That's all there is to it. Go to CapCut.com, click into the email box and enter the address tied to your account, and then choose Forgot Password to start the secure recovery. This keeps your information safe while helping you regain access quickly and confidently.